to my channel. Today I'm in front of camera for two reasons. I just want to thank all my new subscribers for subscribing to my channel. I'm so grateful. And then if you're new here today, please hit the subscribe button for more DIY fashion. My channel is just all about making yourself look trending, fashionable at a very low cost. I'm an economist by profession, so yeah, you know, we are all rational. We are rational in our spending, so that's what results to this channel. Anyway, also the other reason I'm here is I wanted to let you guys know I'm taking request video right now. Request, if you have any request, just hit me on the comment down below or hit me on a private message, my email or my IG. I got a request. This video is actually a request video. I got this from IG. Somebody sent me a message at PANT. So I'm actually wearing the pant as plunge neck suit right now. Like, it's versatile. Like, I was so glad I did this. Yeah, so please share this video to your friends. Stay to the end of the video so that you can go ahead and do yours. Remember, this channel I created it so that you can be able to spend less on looking high fashion. So thanks so much for visiting my channel. Now let's go to tutorial in proper. See you. I don't know when I'll be in front of camera again. Maybe when I hit 1 million subscribers. I don't know. Maybe it might be next video. It might be next 10 videos. I don't know. But see you guys. Even though you're not seeing my face, this is me. All right. See you. Let's go.
So first thing first, just get a piece of fabric. This is fold in two. Measure your hip and then just add 10 or 15 inch to it so that the trouser will be able to wrap very well. So I'm using a boyfriend jean that I love very well. I love the fitting, how big it is, so that's what I'm using to trace that. This is a beginner friendly video, so I'm doing it in a way that you yourself can do it at home without needing to measure or even having any knowledge of measurement and sewing. So if you notice, there's excess at the side, which is good because it's a wrap pant. Very necessary to put as much excess as you need. If you want it to be more covered, add excess of 15 to 20, but mine I added 10. I'm cutting the back now, so you just fold your jean accordingly, the back part of the jean. If you notice, the top part is a bit steep, which gives it a good shape. That's why I love this jean so much. So for this back side, I made the excess to be more than the front part that I cut. This excess is like around 7 inches. The other one is like 5 inches. So this is ready. So simple, so fast. Next, you're just going to sew down like this. So you do the same for the back. Just make sure you just sew down to where the crunch meets. Don't sew it down to the leg part, because that's where it's going to be joining the front and the back. So this is what it's going to look like after you sew it like that. Now I'm just going to add the front to the back inside out. Notice inside out is very important so that I don't sew. So now I'm slowing down the video because I really want you to get this part because it's very crucial. Make sure the lines of the crunch area are facing exactly each other before you sew down. I will advise you use a needle pin to pin it down like this, and then you sew from the very spot down like that, and then take the other part too down, the other leg, so that way you have a perfect seam. It's very important you do it like that. So this is it. I'm through sewing. So now I'm going to turn. So you see, so neat and easy. Next step, you're just going to seam the edges you fold it all the edges so that it gives it a neat finish. So this is it after sewing it down. You can actually use a weaving machine to do this, or take it to those people that do such if you don't want the stress of doing this. So this is it. Next, I'm going to put in the strap. So this strap, the width I'm using is 2 inches because I want the band to be small. I don't want it to be so big. So now I'm just going to attach the bands for the back side and then the front side. So you can just match it like this, or there are other technical ways of doing this, which of course you've seen in my channel, but this is we do as well, as far the edges are seamlessly put together. So this is it, so simple.
Oh yes, my wrap pan is ready to be rocked this summer.